In this video, I'm going to share with you an Excel stock tracker template that you can fire it up in one click, and it's going to tell you the current gains and losses of your portfolio in real time. And you can also see your overall portfolio allocation. Okay, so here's the free Excel stock tracker template that you can download. And the way it works is very simple. Here you have the tickers, and then here it uses the wise price function to be able to get the company name for all these tickers. And most importantly, what it does is it gets you the real-time price of all these companies. So from there, the calculations of what your current return and the current value of your portfolio are performed. And then of course that information is used to create these graphs that you can see right now. So this is the current value of the portfolio, and this is the portfolio cost based on the average cost. And as you can see, you can also see based on the value of the different stocks and how much you own, the different allocation of your portfolio. This gives you a pretty good idea as to what sectors and what companies you're most invested in at the moment, or you have the most exposure to. To make this template truly your own, what you could do is replace any of the stickers, or you could also add more tickers to the list. So for example, let's say that we want to use Visa, and we also want to enter Adobe. What you do is very simple. You just add the two tickers, and then from here on the wise price function, all you need to do is extend the range. So extend it to include this, and then the price and this is going to remain the same. The name and the price are the same columns. Click enter. If you get this spell error, just make sure that there's nothing underneath, or you select the cells, delete. It's going to say busy, and there you go. You're going to get the data, and then after that you can do any formatting or anything you like. But most importantly, what you have to do is enter how much you bought. So let's say we bought 2,000, and let's say here for this company that we bought 1,000. So now our current portfolio value, it's 53, and the average cost was $310 for this company and $435 for this other company. As you can see, the returns per stock are automatically calculated, and the current portfolio value using this formula is calculated as well. And most importantly, the graphs are also updated here. And for this one, you can also update the range to be able to include these extra companies. You just click on it, select this two and that two, and what's going to happen is that it's going to add them to the graph as well. As you can see, the key to using this template is this wise price function call to be able to get the real-time stock data for these companies. One thing to keep in mind is that you can also do the same template using the stock history function in Excel stocks. I have a whole video explaining how that works on Excel, so you can follow that, but I do recommend that you use Y-Sheets, and the reason why is because it works across all platforms. So it works on Excel, it works on Google Sheets, and most importantly, it not only provides you with real-time price information about stocks, but also stock financials through the WISE function, as well as dividend data, historical price data, and a lot more data that you're not going to be able to find anywhere else, all accessible on your Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet. And then at the same time, if you go on the add-in once you have an account created, you can also see some other templates that are available for you to be able to fire it up and get the data immediately. My favorite part though of the wise price function is that if you go here, you can click on refresh data at any moment, and what it's gonna do is refresh the price because as we know, it constantly changes, and that of course is gonna update all the information as well. As you can imagine, getting this Excel stock tracker template is very simple. All you have to do is go on Wise Templates, and you're gonna see right away here Portfolio Tracker Excel. You're gonna click on it, and it's gonna download the tracker immediately to your spreadsheet. You can do this for absolute free. There's absolutely no cost involved. All you have to do is create a Y-Sheets free trial account. Now, the only thing to keep in mind is that if you do want to access companies outside of Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, then you need a premium account. But the template is absolutely accessible for free. And like I said before, you can also adapt it to use stock history and Excel stocks to be able to get the data if you're on a budget. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with a friend so they could also benefit from this template, and let me know in the comments if there's any specific content you would like to see next. I'll see you in the next video.